Here is our little cabinet. Hi guys! Today I want to show you guys our little content cabinet that we have. The place is a little messy, but voila! She's a cutie pie. Okay, I know she looks a little crazy right now. There's an order. Yes, there's an order to all this chaos, okay? It is really messy. The order is right now we have our straws here, bottle boots, and then we have all these bags full of like our other like straw toppers. I don't know why she's up here. We put all the bottles here, and these are like molds for ice and like fun drink videos that we have on our page. I have so many bottle boots. Just find a better way of organizing it and utilizing the space well. So first, let's go over all the bottles we have. This right here on the bottom. So we have this one that was just decorated. It's our pink Stanley that has been in so many videos I'm sure you've seen. Also have this little Awala. She just only has the cowboy boot right now. Don't mind her, but this Stanley that's super fun. I recently used her in our little Zara Larson inspired video, and it looks so good with our blinged out bottle boot. I have this one that's super fun. We have all these stickers on there. This is a hydro jug. It's like a lavender one. We also have our pink hydro jug. We have the bling boot on there for now. We have the holiday Stanley here. This one is so pretty. It has the stripes. This one was so cute with our holiday collection. Obviously that's gone, so get some next year. I have this one. This is in Awala. We have a beautiful beige Stanley as well. I'm like trapped in this little corner of my screen. So now let's put it all back inside. That's a clear one that we have. Ta-da! So this is our little water bottle section. Just make sure it's on this side of the cabinet. We just have some miscellaneous photo shoot props. Let me show you guys on the top here what we have. We have our stack of bottle boots here. Hot pink. We have this gray one. Ooh, this little paw print one. This tan one, orange one. I really love this print, this green print. This blue is really pretty. I think it's, what is it called? Cobalt. This fun print. These are our most used ones because we love pink around here. Our bling bling bling. I'll just keep them in this bag for now. We have our beautiful Valentine's Day one. This is my favorite. Like, I just love the heart cutout. We have our lavender one. I have this blue one. This one's so pretty. It looks so good on the blue hydro jug we have as well. If we have like loose charms like this, and a bottle boot as a little container to store. We have some fun baseball ones and a football one. These are cute. So cute. These are my favorite. Look, there's like a cherry. Wow. The butterfly. Amazing. Guys, I love this dolphin charm so much. I have all the charms in this bottle boot here. I have a bunch of charm bundles. I'll just stack them on top of. They're all like our rubber charms, which are really fun. We also have a bag of sticky bits. I'm gonna put these in here. Our lippy pouch bag. I have a bunch of pom-poms. I don't know if we have a pom-pom bag. Okay, I found this random bag. So we're gonna store them in there for now. Any color pom-poms. Obsessed. Forgot to show you our mini Stanley. This is all of the straw toppers that we have. We have so many Valentine's Day ones that are super cute. And then we have some normal ones. There is the bear. I'm sure you guys know already. She's my favorite. We have so many. Burger. Motorcycle. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put them all in here. I'm trying to make a system here, but it looks pretty crazy. So I'm just gonna leave the charms here. Our pack of lippy pouches in there. This is just like I would say our content bag, I guess, when we go out to film. So the vision is we'll have like boxes here, like drawers, and we can pull them out. And then the straws, we'll just probably leave them like that. But yeah, just organizing all these little loose items will be super nice. Yes, this is our bottle though. That's cute. So the goal is, you know, have this more organized, having little drawers or containers and whatnot. So next time you see this shell and you'll see it look very cute. So that's the goal.